A clean inspection report can protect more than your building. It shows insurers your property is organized, documented, maintained, and taken seriously from the moment they walk in. Insurance companies want to see proof, not promises. Clear inspection records show what was checked, when it was reviewed, and whether critical systems were consistently looked after. Testing documentation matters because every alarm, valve, and device needs a history. When results are recorded properly, insurers see a building that does not leave safety to chance. Maintenance logs and compliance history tell the real story. They show whether deficiencies were tracked, repairs were handled, and follow-up happened before small issues became bigger risks. When records are clear and systems are cared for, inspections go in with confidence. Trust Ideal Fire Protection to help you stay ready, protected, and prepared for what insurers expect. Call today